Hey guys, how's it going? So AMD is having their earnings report after the bell closes on February 1st, 2022. And it might skyrocket. I don't know. It's a gamble. But if we look at it from a charting perspective, AMD's MACD is all the way at the bottom. So there's only one place for the MACD to go up, at least in my opinion. Maybe after earnings we could drop another 10-20%. But if we look at the MACD, right, the MACD hasn't been this low like ever in a year. It hasn't been this low. Like, look at this. MACD is kind of like flat and trading sideways, and look at the MACD. It's like all the way down here. So I think there's only one way for the MACD to go is back up, and I think AMD could explode after earnings. If we look at AMD's GPUs, they're still sold out. Why? Because of crypto mining. They're doing well in the CPU department. They just released a new product, and wait, did they release a new product? I don't know. I'm not 100% sure, but I think like Ryzen 3D laptops are still doing well because we're in a pandemic and work at home scenarios, and people buying laptops to work at home. So yeah, and I just think that AMD's gonna do well, and then on top of that, they just got approved for the Xilinx merger, which will be very lucrative acquisition for AMD because you don't need two CEOs, and then they can consolidate the workers and take the profits of Xilinx quarterly dividends will no longer be subjected to investors. So AMD will take all of that as profits too. So AMD will be flipping a huge profit with the acquisition of Xilinx because no more dividends, no more CEO, and certain executive roles. They can save some money on that part, and then with AMD helping them, and with AMD have access to the technology, they could create something pretty awesome, in my opinion. Maybe, I don't know. We'll see what happens. AMD also scored a partnership with Tesla this year. AMD's new Ryzen processor will be in Model 3 and Model Y. Basically, every single car that Tesla makes in the future will have, a console-like chip in it, so you can play video games at a high level, like a PlayStation 5 level, in every Tesla car, which is pretty awesome. I have to say. We'll see what I think this could also help with the earnings. And then if we look at the market, we can see that the SPY looks like it's going to have a golden cross and it's going to shoot up and go higher. So we'll see what happens with that, but it just looks like the SPY wants to move higher, and I think it will move higher. We'll see. Only time will tell if I'm right or wrong. This thing breaks to 454, I think we're gonna go higher. And I think this drop was a huge buying up. It was a huge buying opportunity. We'll see if I'm right or wrong. But I'm bullish on AMD after earnings. If we compare AMD to Nvidia, Nvidia is valued at $605 billion, and they lost their ARM acquisition. While AMD looks like they're going to be closing their ARM acquisition, and they're only valued at $138 billion at the moment. So, yeah, I'm very bullish. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you want to subscribe. If you don't want to, that's okay. I don't care. And have a great day. Bye.